Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's episode of my 20-day flyer design, I'll be designing a podcast collar. Alright, we'll be designing this beautiful and nice and simple minimalistic podcast collar. Without any further ado, let's dive right into it. Let's open Adobe Photoshop. Okay, let us set our project size by locating file, new, and for the file size you go by 5 inches by 5 inches with 300 resolution, and let us give the title like podcasts cover. Okay, as we always do, let's give it a margin. So we locate view and then new guide layouts. For this project, the margin will be going for 150 by 150, and then okay. Now let us add our details. Okay, go right. I found this cool color templates. Okay, I'll print. I'll add it in the description so you can have it. All right. And guys, today's projects we'll be using shapes. All right, there will be no pictures, just the shapes. Okay, so let me drag this color palette here. Okay, all right. Now let us start creating our background. Select the background, come down here to the adjustment panel. All right, click here and then select color. Let us choose this blue. Okay, for this project you can just copy and color code British 0891B1. all right, and hit OK. Let us bring our details. All right, so family support introduction. Let us select that one. That's the podcast title. Bring your type and let us paste. Ctrl V, paste it, increase the size to maybe 16 points. Okay, and then the font that I will be using is called Months. Okay, so that is it, Months. But for this one, the hierarchy for this item is the direction. All right, so let me select that one and cut it, and then let me paste it right here. Then let me select recovery, Control X. Let me paste it right here, the recovery. Yeah. Now let us start arranging it. Okay. And select all. Then let me align it to the left. Okay, like I said earlier, I want the focus or the hierarchy to be on the addiction. All right, yeah, so let us change the font. Let's go for the heavy one. All right, yeah. And then now let us select the family support, because let us change the font size to maybe 8 or 9 here. Let's say, let me go for 6. Let's see. Yeah, let's go for 7. 6.5 will be okay. Good. And then the recovery, let's reduce the size like this. Let me bring it right here. Let us select all by selecting the recovery. That's the top layer, and then hold shift and click the family support. That's the base layer. Control T to activate your free transform key. Scale it. Then let me position it right here. Let me reduce this one. Okay. Yeah, now we get our nice title, Family Supporting Addiction Recovery. Like I said, we want to bring more emphasis to the addiction. Okay, so let us do some 1 or 2 adjustments, or to the addiction. All right, so let us select the addiction, right click, and then come to convert to shapes. All right, convert to shape. So the text will convert to shape, so we can modify it. All right, select this. That is the convert points. Okay, convert point to select that one, and then let us come right here, drag over this side. Okay, and then let us bring it to the top, just like this, by holding shifts and then drag it up like this. Just enter on the keyboard. Let's come to the I, the base one. All right, like we do to the B, letter D, the same thing. Drag it down while holding shift like this. Okay, so we get something like this. Let us reduce this recovery. Good. Let the support. Let's change the font size to maybe, let's say 14. Let's go for 15. Okay, good. 15 is okay. Just like this. Okay, now select all the tests. Control G to group them, and let us call it for this one title. Okay, good. Now let us center it by selecting the title group, set code, control, and select the background. Come up here and click on this one to center it like this. Now select title group, Control T to activate your free transform tool, and then let us scale it a little more bigger. Yeah, just like this. Okay, now let us add a little more effect or adjustment to it. Okay, by locating here and select the rectangular tool. Let us draw a rectangular here, just like this. Okay, like this. Now let's change the color to this one. Okay, this one. All right, Control J, duplicate the shape. Move shift while you drag it this way. Okay, let's change this one to, by double click here, and then select this yellow. It's okay. Control J, like we did for the first one. Hold shift and control while you drag it to your right. Double click here, change the color to this color pink. It's okay. It's same thing. Control J, bring it to this side, just like that. Change it to this blue. The same again. Control J, duplicate it, change the color to this color, green, and hit OK. Now we get our nice pattern right here. Hold Control while you select the rectangular one. Control G, group them. Call this part, right? Pattern. Control T to that's your Control T to activate your free transform tool. Let us resize this one too. Yeah. Select the pattern. Control J, duplicate it, and then Control T to activate your free transform tool. Let us bring it down here, right here, just like this. Okay, let's enter. And let us bring this pattern one at a little bit up, so there will be space out there, and bring the story support in a little bit up. Okay, yeah, now we get our nice and perfect design. Let us go and bring these details, helping parents to of addicts. Control Shift copy, bring your type tool, click and hold, drag to draw a text box like this. Okay, change the font size to maybe 8 point. Let's go for 6, and then Control V. It's our text right here. All right, think it's a true base DKK tool, and reduce it a little bit, like yeah, 5 is okay. I'll bring it right here, just like this. Good. Here, so let me group this one, for this one as sub info. What is that? Title, pattern, and there is a sub info. Okay, let me hide the color palettes. Select the title group in, hold shift, click, sub info, select all the layer, Control T to activate your free transform tool. Rotate it by coming up here and type in 25 will be okay. Let's say 25, right? Yeah, 25 degree. It's okay. Good, like this. After rotating it, you see the text that are a little smaller, so Ctrl T, then Ctrl T, and then let us increase it like this for the text to reach our margin, just like that. Good. Now that is it. You see, we get our nice podcast design. As simple as that. Okay, let us use the abbreviation of the title to create something like a logo for this podcast. Okay, so select your type to come up here, click right here, then let's use the abbreviation, which is the F S A and then R, like this. Okay, let's increase it to maybe 6 points there, or let's go for 8. Yeah, 8 is okay. So let us bolding it like this. Okay, like I said, we want to use the abbreviations to create something like a logo for this podcast cover. All right, so after typing this, let us convert the type to shapes. Okay, so right click and then click on the convert to shape for it to change into a shape, and then let us go for this one right there, convert point to, and then let us zoom it, select this anchor points of the letter F, just like this, and then use your arrow key to your right arrow key to move it to till you it matches the R, just like this. Okay, just like this, and then you can bring here like podcasts, but let's change to the abstract end, and let us bring it right here, just like this. Let us select both of it, Ctrl G for this one, double, and now we get our nice and perfect podcast cover. See how simple it was, guys. If you enjoyed this video, I will be so happy if you subscribe to this channel, share with friends who will be interested to start graphic designing. All right, so I'll take this opportunity to please hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification so you don't miss any episode of this 20-day graphic design that I'm doing. And then thanks for time and everything. Hope to see you all in the next episode. Bye.